Another benefit of using smart previews is that we can use smart collections to filter any images that contain smart previews in our catalog. To do so, we need to create a new rule in our My Studio Smart Collections set that we created earlier. In your Collections panel, just go ahead and expand it and scroll down to My Studio Smart Collections. Right-click on this collection set and then go to Create Smart Collection. We're going to call this My Smart Previews. Make sure that this collection is nested inside the My Studio Smart Collections set. This time, from this menu over here, you're going to select Has Smart Preview as the rule. And on the right side, you're going to set it to Is True. So Lightroom is going to check our catalog. It's going to find all the images that do have a smart preview, and it's going to populate this collection with those images. So go ahead and click Create. As soon as you do that, you'll notice that the My Smart Previews collection has 92 images already contained within it. So all these 92 images do have smart previews. Now watch what happens when I go back to all photographs. And we know that image 1 does not have a smart preview attached to it. Let's go ahead and give it a smart preview. Scroll back down to the My Smart Previews collection, and you'll notice that the image has automatically been added to this collection. And that's the benefit of using a smart collection and filtering by smart preview. Just for some additional practice, let's go back up to all photographs, and this time we'll create a smart collection that looks for images that do not have a smart preview attached. So we're going to right click on My Studio Smart Collections and create Smart Collection. Call this No Smart Previews. Make sure it's nested inside My Studio Smart Collections. And make sure that the rule is the same. That's not going to change. But from Is True, change it to Is False. So this time, Lightroom is going to check for images that do not have a smart preview, and it's going to populate this smart collection with those images. So these 4 images do not have a smart preview. So that's another great way to filter your catalog. And let's go back up to all photographs and click on it.